everyone, this is my plot in January this year, 2021. As you can see, it's a bit bleak at the moment, but this end of it, the camera end, is where I'm going to be growing my potatoes. This is how the plot looked in February this year, 2021. After all the heavy rain we had early in the year, it's quite a lot of water everywhere. The extreme right hand side is supposed to be a footpath between the plots. I planted all my potatoes at the end of March, and this is how they look now on the 2nd of June when this picture was taken. Notice a neighbouring plot holder has laid down a layer of wood chippings all down the footpath, which helps a lot. It's now the 23rd of June and the potatoes are looking really good. I have 2 rows of Sarpomyra, which are the late potatoes, 1 row of Estima, and 2 rows of Kestrel, and 1 row of Earlies, the Arran Pilot, and I'll start digging them up today, and I'll show some in later on. Here I've dug up 3 Arran Pilot early potatoes. They look really nice. I'm very pleased with them. Looking forward to boiling them and getting that lovely new potato taste that you only get from potatoes you dig out the ground and eat on the same day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the subscribe bar at the bottom right of the screen, and in the next video I'll show the actual digging up the some of the second earlies and late potatoes. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye.